Okay, so this homework might look a little daunting. I don't want you to freak out about it. Oops, that's going to mess things up. Let's try this way. Okay, cool. Now, when you look at these problems, you can handle this. So don't let this get too crazy. Many of these problems, you're basically just having to find the vertex. Now, when will the object reach its maximum height? Now, usually time frame deals with your x value of your vertex. So you're supposed to find your x of your vertex. So basically it's negative b over 2a. Use your calculator. You can do this. I am allowing notes to be posted for extra credit. So do your notes and post them for extra credit. Okay, this one. What is the maximum profit you can make from selling the tickets? So the maximum profit, that does not talk about a time frame. So it's not the x of the vertex, it'll be the y of the vertex. Watch your math and figure out the x, negative b over 2a. Whatever that answer is, plug it into this equation and it'll give you your y. That's what it wants. All right. If each mark of the x-axis represents 1 second, when did the object reach the ground? That's pretty easy to look at. Okay. An object launched directly upward at 64 feet per second from a platform 80 feet high. If the height is represented by this equation, what will the object's maximum height be? What will the object's maximum height? They want to know the y value of the vertex. Okay, the y value of the vertex. A lot of these questions are dealing with the x and y of the vertex, but number 5 is different. Number 5 is great. So number 5, you have to solve this any which way you can. All right, you could do X games here. You could do X games. Don't forget, X games would be A is -5, B is 0, C is 45. All right, so if you were to do X games, you could do A times C on the top and B on the bottom. All right, do the best you can on that one. This one, you're solving for H. You're just setting both of these guys to 0. Okay, and then solving it. No big deal. Same with this one. What are the roots of the function? You're setting both these parentheses to 0. Super easy. Set this parenthesis to 0, solve it. Set this parenthesis to 0, solve it. Number 8, it wants to know how many seconds did it take for the ball to reach its maximum height. How many seconds? You're going to go and give me the x value of your vertex. Number 9 is a exponent algebra problem. Remember, if you were to write this problem out three times in a row, these parentheses, if you were to write the parentheses out 3 times, it would be 2x to the third y times 2x to the third y times 2x to the third y. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. X to the ninth, y to the third. All right, I just gave you a free answer there. And the system down here, I don't know if you remember your system skills. I wish this would go away. Okay, there we go. Remember, you have to, this is old stuff, but you have to, this is a tough one. For this system skills here, I would go ahead and multiply the top equation by 3 and manipulate it that way. Multiply everything on the top by 3. Multiply everything on the bottom by 2. And this will become 6x. This will become -6x. Then you can actually solve the system properly and give me an answer. Do the best you can. Hopefully this video was some help. Watch it over again. If you want to rewind it, that's fine.